EV repair nightmares, don't touch that bolt. Are you thinking about saving a few bucks by tackling that EV repair in your garage? Stop. You need to see this. We're diving into electric vehicle repair nightmares, the horribly wrong, hilariously misguided, and sometimes downright dangerous DIY attempts. In the next few minutes, we're exposing the hidden dangers of DIY EV repair and arming you with the knowledge to make the smart, safe call. This isn't just about saving money, it's about saving yourself, your car, and maybe even your life. Saving a few bucks isn't worth risking your life or turning your prize EV into a $50,000 paperweight. Choose safety. Choose expertise. Let's talk about the battery. Think you can just swap it out like you do in your old gas guzzler? Absolutely not. Incorrectly disconnecting, or even touching, a high-voltage battery terminal can lead to severe electrocution, burns, or worse. This is Chapter 1, the battery bolt blunder. Imagine this, you're reaching for that wrench, thinking you've got this under control. Suddenly, a surge of power courses through your body. It's not a pleasant shock, it's a life-threatening jolt. We're talking potentially lethal voltage. Your muscles seize, you can't breathe, and the next thing you know, you're waking up in a hospital bed, if you're lucky. Understanding the dangers of high-voltage batteries isn't just a good idea, it's the difference between a quick fix and a trip to the emergency room or worse. Remember, messing with the battery without proper training and equipment is like playing Russian roulette. And it's not just the battery you need to worry about. Improperly splicing EV wiring can brick your entire vehicle. We're talking thousands of dollars in damage. This is Chapter 2, the wiring woes. Picture this, you snip a wire, thinking you're connecting it correctly. But one wrong move, one misidentified cable, and bam! Your dashboard lights up with error codes you've never seen before. Smoke starts billowing out from under the dash, filling your garage with the acrid smell of burning electronics. Your car is now essentially a very expensive paperweight, or worse, a fire hazard. It's like performing surgery with a butter knife. You might think you're helping, but you're probably just making things worse. And the cost to fix it? Astronomical. We've seen wiring mistakes turn simple repairs into complete vehicle write-offs. Don't let that be you. Then there's the battery module. These modules are sensitive and expensive. This is Chapter 3, the module mishap. Damaging just one while attempting a replacement can compromise the entire battery pack, leading to thousands of dollars in damage. Imagine this, you're wrestling with a heavy battery module, trying to get it into place. It slips, cracks, and you hear that sickening snap as the casing breaks. Now you've just turned a manageable repair into a catastrophic failure. Using proper tools, lifting equipment, and following the manufacturer's instructions is critical. One wrong move, and you're looking at a bill that could rival the cost of a used car. Imagine this, you're trying to update your EV's software, but you accidentally interrupt the process. The screen flickers, freezes, and then goes completely blank. Now your car is stuck in a permanent brick state. The software is corrupted, the dealer needs to reflash everything, and you're looking at a hefty bill. It's like trying to debug a complex program without knowing a single line of code. You're just asking for trouble. We've seen software glitches lock people out of their cars, disable critical safety features, and even completely shut down the vehicle. These aren't just hypothetical scenarios. These are real-life EV repair fails that we've seen happen. People trying to save a few bucks, ending up with a completely useless car or, even worse, serious injuries. We've seen electrocutions, fires, and vehicles rendered completely worthless. So, what's the solution? Knowledge is power. Before you even think about touching that bolt, do your research. Consult the manufacturer's repair manual. Watch videos from qualified professionals. Get certified in EV repair if you're serious about DIY. And most importantly, if you're not absolutely sure about what you're doing, leave IT to the experts. Find a qualified EV technician. It's an investment that could save you thousands of dollars and potentially your life. Look, we get it. Saving money is important. But your safety and the integrity of your vehicle is paramount. Don't become another EV repair nightmare statistic. EV repair is not like working on a gasoline car. The stakes are much higher. What EV repair questions do you have? Share them in the comments. We might feature them in a future video. Like and subscribe for more EV repair insights and cost-saving tips. We're constantly putting out helpful videos to keep you informed and empowered. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into EV maintenance. Stay safe, stay informed, and think twice before you wrench.